So if you can use substitution, that means you can just plug in the value of the limit. So we can just plug in 0. And if we try to just plug in 0 into this limit, the limit does not exist, DNE, because yeah, that's fine. Yeah, this limit does not exist. And actually, I should probably hesitate to say that because we haven't done this yet in the class, but to formally say the limit doesn't exist. But we cannot use substitution because you'd plug in and get a divide by 0 error. So the reason here, with the point in the calculus course that we're at, is that you would have a divide by 0 error. And that's it. Okay? Substitution is just as easy as that. You plug in the number and see if you can do it. Now, oh, I think I needed an extra detail here. No. This one's fine. You can plug in the limit, okay? If you plug in -0, a lot of students would say that limit doesn't exist because they think there's something going wrong with the square root, but the square root of 0 is fine. It's 0. So this one does have a limit that exists. The limit does exist. Let's do one more, something similar. We'll say x approaches -2 for this. You can't use substitution here because if you plug in -2, then it's 1 plus -2, so that would be the square root of -1. And that would be an imaginary number. And the world is different in imaginary land. So this would be, you would have a square root of a negative if you substitute x was -2. Okay, and that would be imaginary. So you could say, which is imaginary. But I'm not, for my class, I'm not looking for a lot of details past that.